Hello and welcome back to TK's Bar. I'm your host Tessa and today we're making a Paloma. So first, check out these pants. Next, into the drink. So what is a Paloma? A Paloma is a tequila-based cocktail with grapefruit as its main flavor. A really refreshing cocktail, even though right now is not the weather for refreshing cocktails. We're gonna make it anyway, so let's get straight into it. Hi, buddy. Come here. So I introduced my cat one time. This is my dog, Chi-Chi. Hi. All right, so then to go through our ingredients, like I said before, it's a tequila-based cocktail. So we're gonna be using a tequila as our main spirit. This is the same tequila that I use in most of my videos. As you can see, I'm running kind of low on it, but I'll leave the name right here. It's a blanco tequila and it's 100% agave nectar. You can use whatever tequila you want, but I like to go with 100% agave nectar just because I think the flavor is a bit better in it. So then we've got our simple syrup. This is just a 1-to-1 simple syrup. If you have any questions about simple syrup or how to make it, you can let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I do have something on my highlights on TK's Bar Instagram, just a quick how to make simple syrup if you don't know already. So I would check that out if you don't know how to make simple syrup. Then we've got our lime juice. This is fresh squeezed lime juice, but you can use store-bought if you want, whatever, it's up to you. So then we've got our grapefruit juice. This is just fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Then our last ingredient today is just gonna be club soda, soda water, seltzer, whatever you wanna call it, just to top it off. So then the last ingredient, which unfortunately I don't have, is grapefruit bitters. I do have orange bitters, which I'm gonna try and put in at the end, but it doesn't call for that in the actual recipe. So if you do have grapefruit bitters, I would just add a couple dashes of grapefruit bitters. Yeah. Okay, sweet. So let's get straight into making the drink. So right before we're about to make the drink, I just wanted to say this real quick. If you guys have any drinks that you want me to make or an original drink that you think would be cool for me to try on this channel, I would love to make your drinks and I would love to hear your recommendations. So if you have any, just let me know in the comments below or comment on my Instagram post, whatever you want to do. I'd love to hear your feedback. Alrighty, so now on to making our drink. We're gonna throw everything into our Boston shaker or Parisian shaker, whatever type of shaker you have. But we're gonna throw everything into our shaker and we're gonna start with a 2-ounce pour of our tequila. A lovely 2-ounce pour of our stinky tequila. I really don't like the smell of tequila, but that's probably from way too many tequila shots. Okay, so we're doing a 2-ounce pour of our tequila, and then we're doing 3/4 of an ounce of our simple syrup. Also, another recommendation, make sure you buy the same glass bottle as topper, because this one doesn't actually fit, and I spill it everywhere because of that. Then we're doing 1/2 ounce of our lime juice, and then we're doing a full ounce of our grapefruit juice. So now that we've got all our ingredients in here, we're just gonna throw some ice in and give it a quick shake. Perfect. So the glass we're gonna be using today is this one. It resembles a Collins glass a lot, but it's not exactly perfect. But whatever you have that's kind of tall and cylindrical, I guess, you could probably use. Because we're filling this with ice, you want it to have a big enough volume to be able to hold the drink, the ice, and we're gonna top it with soda, so just keep that in mind. So we're gonna fill our glass with ice, and then we're gonna strain our drink into the glass. So I'm gonna double strain this today just because there's a lot of pulp that came out of the grapefruit juice, so I don't wanna get that caught in the drink. Perfect, and then just to top this up, we're gonna put our soda water in. And then I like to give this a quick stir just to make sure everything's all incorporated together. So using my bar spoon, I'm just gonna go along the side. So to garnish today, we're just gonna be using 1/4 of a grapefruit wheel and just throwing that on the side. So like that. Isn't that pretty? So now the last thing we have to do is just take a taste. So let's take a taste. That is a good drink. I love this drink because I feel like Some tequila cocktails can be very strong. You can definitely taste that tequila, and tequila isn't necessarily the easiest thing to drink. So this is an awesome cocktail because it really brings in that flavor of the grapefruit, and it really balances out the flavors where you don't taste the tequila so strongly, but you can still taste that it's there. So I really like this drink. I think it's really approachable for people who might not like really strong cocktails. I find that a lot of tequila cocktails can be strong if they're made incorrectly or if they're doubles or whatever. So this is a really good cocktail to drink. Who would have thought? I love it. So this is awesome, but like I said before, we're gonna try just adding in some orange bitters and see how it tastes. So I just added a couple dashes of these Scrappy's bitters. These are in orange flavor, and I gave it a quick stir, and we're gonna give it a taste now. So second taste with the orange bitters. There's not a big difference. You can definitely smell the orange. It smells like someone like squeezed an orange peel on it, but to me, I would just leave them out. If you had grapefruit bitters, it would make sense. I thought that maybe the orange and the grapefruit, they're both citrus, so they might be able to go together, but I wouldn't use the orange bitters in this. So if you do have the grapefruit bitters, I would strongly suggest putting them in, but if you don't, then I think that it tastes good without them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. I love making this drink. I think it's an awesome drink. Like I said before, very approachable to people just starting to drink tequila or who maybe not are into tequila that much. But I think that this is a really awesome drink for that. If you do decide to make this video and you have the ingredients in this quarantine, I would love if you gave me a comment below just saying if you liked it or if you didn't. I'd love to hear your feedback. Also, if you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell if you really want, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. I have so much fun making these, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye! Thanks again!